Okay, so I just got off of work and my apartment was freezing because I turned my heat off. It was like literally 65 degrees, so I was freezing. So I put on this really cute little comfy set, which is actually from Old Navy, but it's from Old Navy from last year. So I actually get to wear it because it's cold enough. It's been a little cold in Dallas lately, so I'm very excited to break out the fall winter stuff. But I wanted to get on here because I have a little unboxing that I wanted to do with you guys today. I didn't do it the first time, and I'm kind of sad that I didn't. I have this one, which is from a thrift shop. This one is from Secondhand Collectives. I can't remember what this is. I know it's something I'm really excited about. I just can't remember what it is. And then I also have my FabFitFun box that we're doing. It's very Christmassy. Very excited for this. But I've decided, with encouragement from my other friends, that I'm going to do, what is it called? Vlogmas. So I don't know what day this is getting posted. I think it's gonna get posted for day 2. But yeah, we're gonna do Vlogmas. So we're gonna get me into the swing of like actually remembering to do things pretty consistently. And I'm excited to do it. So I figured we might as well do a little unboxing theme cozy video, because why not? I think I might have to take my glasses off because you see the glares? These glares are not it. So I'm gonna take my glasses off and get situated, and I'll be back in just a second. Okay, so I took my glasses off. There's no glare, but I really hope that I stay in focus this whole time. And if you wear glasses, you understand. So we're gonna start with a smaller one because I'm really excited about it. It's my little disco ball pillow. We're gonna move that out of the way. But okay, so the first thing that I forgot that I got this. I'm very excited. It's very like winter-esque, holiday season, New Year's. I'm not sure what I'm gonna wear it for, but I know I'm definitely gonna be wearing it to go to Christmas themed, holiday themed things. She put in the cute little thank you card, and it's this Free People dress. I'm very excited for it. I think it's so cute. It's like Christmassy without being like too Christmassy, if that makes sense, because it's like red and orange. So it's this really pretty Free People dress. I'm so excited to wear this. Look how cute this is. So, and then it has like a little floral pattern in it. It's so pretty. I'm so excited I got this. So definitely be trying this on, and I really hope I'll be wearing it in, you know, a future party or whatever it might be. Oh, it's even better in person. I'm so excited. Okay. Love that. Starting off to a good start. Okay, and then the second box again is the FabFitFun. So let's see what is in here this time. So this is what it looks like if you've never had one. This is what it looks like. So let's see. It always has like a magazine that you get. And then this one, they put a little HelloFresh thing in it, which I have tried before and I do like it, and I want to start doing them more often. Okay, so what did I get? What is this? Oh, it's a blanket. I didn't know what it was. And it's in like a really pretty chocolate brown color. It's from Unhide. And it's this really cute like chocolate brown one. It's very soft, so I'm very excited to use this. Okay, I guess I'll get the boring one out of the way first. Is a rolling pin, which in all honesty, like I didn't have one of these, so I guess if I make like Christmas cookies with friends, I have a rolling pin to like roll it out now. So I guess that like is kind of beneficial. If I end up having like a little baking party. The next is, it's a Fig 1 Glyconic Glow Treatment with hydrochloric acid. So I'm pretty excited to try this one. So this is what it looks like. If any of you have used this, please let me know if you like it. So I'm very intrigued to see how that is going to work. The next thing I got, I don't know how I feel about these. It's the Aria Beauty. It's 2 reusable makeup swabs. So they look like that. And I think they're like silicone ends. Let's see if I can get the box open, if we can try it. These intrigued me when I first saw them because like you kind of get to choose, but you don't get to choose, if that makes sense. You have to kind of be quick to choose, or you kind of get the leftover choices from other things. So I think I said I didn't want these, but again, you get to pick and choose, and it's like first come, first serve. So they come in the cute little carrying case. Oh, it slides. Right? Yeah, okay. Yeah, they're little rubber ones. So that's like silicone ends. I'm not exactly sure how I'm gonna use these yet, and I'm gonna put these into my routine, but I guess we'll figure it out. So I'll keep you posted if I like these or not. Okay, the next one is the Herbivore Aquarius, the Pore Purifying Clarity Cream. I have heard of this brand, and I've heard it's pretty good. That's what it looks like. But I have 2 other like moisturizers I've been using, so I don't know if I'm gonna end up using it yet. The packaging is really pretty though. It's a little glass bottle. Lots of skincare stuff. I do like how they're sending out like moisturizers though, because I know in winter time lots of people's skin gets very, very dry. So I might give that a whirl. Give my other ones a little bit of a break. And then I got the Pixie Clarity Tonic. And I have heard about this too. But I also, again, have not tried it. So at least the things that I'm getting, I don't already have. So it's gonna push me into trying a few new things. The last thing I'm kind of excited for, because if it's one that I saw, I'm pretty excited. It is a palette. I've bubble wrapped it. If there's gonna be broken shadows in here though, I'm gonna be so sad. It's really pretty though. So that's what it looks like. It's the Ace Beauty. It's a Serenity palette. So let's see what this is. I'm very, very boring when it comes to like my makeup and stuff. I say I'm boring. Some people might not think it is. But I like my neutrals. So lots of my palettes that I have right now are all in the same like neutral tones. They're all like very rosy and very browns and stuff like that. So I won't be upset if they are. I've just told myself I'm not allowed to buy any more of those because I have so many of them. And then you have the same packaging on the front. Oh, this is pretty. This is something I'm definitely gonna use. So, oh, it's so pretty. So this is the color scheme. I'm very excited to use this. I'm gonna swatch a few, because why not? Utopia looks gorgeous. It's a really pretty orange. That would look so good with the dress that I just got in the mail. Okay. Definitely will be using this. It's pretty pigmented, I will say. So that's what it looks like. I say it's pretty pigmented personally. And then Bubbly, which is a shimmery yellow. I feel like the name is pretty accurate for this one too. And that's what that one looks like. Very pretty. And then I'll do one more. I'll do Earth, which is kind of like a slightly darker version of my little set that I'm wearing right now. I'm very excited to try this palette. That's that one. So Oh my gosh, yay. Okay, well I kind of like all the things that I got. I'm not sure how I feel about those like silicone cotton swabs. Not sure if that's a love, but that's okay. You win some, you lose some. This is my second month doing the FabFitFun, and I think I like the first box a little bit more, but I do like this one too, so I'm very excited about those. But I just ordered another, what is it called? Like shirt jacket, like shacket thing from Athena over at Seek and Select. Oh, I was looking for my phone, but I'm recording on my phone. But it's a blue little shirt jacket. It's like this blue color. So I don't have one of those yet, so I'm very excited. Because this year we have decided that we're getting into color. Color has been a very key thing this year for me. So I'm very excited to see what it looks like in person. I also got the other sweaters that I had shown you guys in my last video. Got those from her too. Her page is really, really, really good. I'm opening the blanket because this is gonna be my new favorite blanket for sure. It's literally like a teddy bear. Look at that. Well, I have a new blanket. I will be living in this pretty much until the end of existence. This is gonna be the softest thing in the entire world. Okay, well, I have a movie blanket now, so that's nice. So for the rest of the night, I'm off the next 2 days. So we're gonna try to be productive with our time today. We're gonna clean the apartment tomorrow, and then I have to do a few errands in the morning. So I'll take you guys with me, because again, we're doing Vlogmas. And yeah, I guess I'll put in a few more clips of my night, how it goes. But for the time being, that's the unboxing. What do we think? Have you guys heard or done FabFitFun, and what do you think about it? Because I know it's kind of been talked about a lot, but I actually bought this one. This was not gifted or anything. So this is my second box out of, I think you get 4, because it's like a quarterly thing. So I don't know if I want to keep it until spring. What do you think I should do? Let me know. But yeah, thanks for watching. I hope you guys had an amazing, beautiful, wonderful day. And I'll see you later. Bye.